What's up guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. In today's video, today's video is kind of late. I'm sorry, I had a lot going on today, But we're gonna do this quick tutorial and I'll be out of your hair, literally. Okay, we're going to begin today's style by parting our hair, and I think I want to part mine going this way, so I'm going to start here. Okay guys, so now I'm trying to do this diagonal part. You guys know how much I struggle with parting my hair. Once the part is complete, I'm going to spray my hair down with some water so that I can add my gel and everything and get the sleekest ponytail I can possibly get. That's always goals. And we just want to bring this ponytail to the front. Kind of confusing. This is my second time doing this style. The first time that I did it, I was extremely confused because I've never done, you know, a diagonal part. Okay guys, so I'm going to make sure I pull it to the front, and I'm going to tie a ponytail tie around my hair. Once we have our ponytail complete, we are going to take our hair and do a 2-strand twist and roll it into a little tiny bun. And we're going to follow up with the same exact steps on this ponytail. We sprayed it, we used some gel. Oh yeah, I decided to add a little bit of, you know, curly sideburns to the side. But yeah, we're using our gel again. We're talking a lot and we're slicking our hair back into a ponytail. Once we get that ponytail, we're going to twist it, put it into a bun, and then we're going to add a few baby hairs around the edge, and we're going to move on into our next steps for this style. Six each. I'm going to show you guys how I do my top bun. First and foremost, we want to wrap it around. Make sure you bobby pin it. I'm gonna do it just like this and start twirling it. But you want to keep the hair wrapped around, so it'll probably be easier if we did it like, make sure that that holds. Like that. Now I want to begin wrapping it around, but I'm going to make sure that I keep that bun covered up. You see what I just did? Wrap that on around. And do it just like that. So I didn't show you guys how I did the back one because I did the same exact thing, so follow those steps exactly as I showed you guys for the top bun and you will accomplish this look. Very, very, very simple. And this is our style. I think this is a very easy style for those of you who aren't the best with doing your hair. You know, it's very simple. Just make sure that you part it off however you would like, you know, part down the middle. You could even do this top and bottom. All you have to do, roll it, wrap it around, and you've got yourself a little easy hairdo. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.